Who don't love funnel cakes? So today I got this from the store and it comes in a pouch right inside. You're going to open up the pouch, okay? You're going to have 1 1/3 cup of water. Then what we're going to do is you can whisk it. Do you know it's just cake mix? Wow. Bet we can make chocolate cake batter. Mix it up and have chocolate ones. Any flavor. Hold on 1 second. I gotta pause it so I can use 2 hands. Then what I'm gonna do is add the water. Like so. Bring this down. If you have a KitchenAid, make sure you lock it. You just gotta mix it to where it's well blended. In the meantime, as long as you keep your eye on the stove for the newbies, you're gonna make sure that you have the oil getting heated up. So I have the stove top on, about 3 inches of water. Okay, make sure you scrape the sides of your mixing bowl. See how it looks like pancake batter? It's actually almost mixed, well blended. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to put it back into its original container. So I poured it back into its container. Another thing is I would tilt this as you're pouring it into the container. You know what? I'm going to recycle this for my garden. This is perfect for a little water pitcher. Why felt, landfills. So I'm still waiting for the grease to heat up. Vegetable oil, peanut oil, I would choose, but when you just use what you have in the house. So I have my Pioneer Woman shifter, and I'm going to take some powdered sugar, put it in here, so when it's done, I can shift it over the funnel cakes. I already got a paper towel ready so it can collect the oil. It's getting there. It's almost ready. And then it's time to make some funnel cakes. If you have a timer, a temperature checker, I should say, they're cheap. You can get them at the Dollar Tree probably. But what do you call it? Just check it. It should be about 350. All right. And then you're going to take your batter. And watch, it's going to pop on you. It says about 2 inches above. And then circles. Like this. Look at that. Let it cook. Make sure you have some type of tongs. Okay, these are my Pioneer Woman ones from Walmart. And you're going to cook it for 30 seconds on one side and 20 on the other. Or to lightly golden brown. Okay, I must pause this so I can flip it. I went ahead and flipped it. My next one, I kind of wanted to make it look like a face with a neck and an ear. Have fun with it. Be creative. Look at the nose. How cute. Little puppy. And I might flip it again, even though the instructions said, flip this way and then that way. As long as I know that it's lightly golden brown, the way we want it, then my daughter will enjoy it more. So I'm going to flip it here in just a second. Look at that. Looks like a puppy. And just get creative with it. I went ahead and put some powdered sugar down first on the paper towel. So when I lay it down, one side's already going to get the powdered sugar. And it's really easy to do. You just turn the knob. Lightly golden brown. Remember the oil's still going on. Tongue sticking out. How cute. I'm going to try to do this with one hand and shift like this. And just sprinkle all over however much you want. Remember, most of the time, the important time to brush your teeth is right before bed. So make sure after having powdered sugar, you brush. It's the Dental Geek in me. Check out my Dental Geek channel. Here we go again. And do the same thing. Just repeat until you use up all your funnel cake batter. And I might try it with just regular cake batter and show everybody in another video. So make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.